What's going on YouTube, and welcome to Digital Perspective. I'm Khaled, and in today's video I'm sure you designers have been going through portfolios, whether it's you see things on Behance or Dribble, and you see how people present their work in these sort of card formats and have these lovely shadows to just kind of make things pop out a little bit, as you can see. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you this quick and easy way to perform the same exact treatment on your portfolio images or anything that you want to present on this video. Now if you're ready, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn that notification bell on for all of our daily videos. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. So what's going on, guys? Look, this is going to be a very quick one. Okay, now let's just head over to the screen and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So you can see here this image that's being designed by someone on Dribble. You can see how they've got these lovely card placements on here, but they've also got these lovely shadows placed underneath them, and I've always seen them time and time again where people present them and make it seem like it's been popping out. It's actually a 3D element. And I'm going to show you how to do this very simply in XD. Now it doesn't matter about your artboard size. I'm just going to make a 1920 by 1080 artboard. I'm just going to turn it into slight grey so that we can basically see the white boxes that we do design. I'm going to make a white box here. I'm going to round off the corners just ever so slightly. I'm going to turn the borders off, and that's it, right? So then what I want to do is I want to go and make and place them in different sizes, you know. So I'm going to stretch one here, I'm going to duplicate them, and I'm going to move them up a little bit, and then maybe duplicate that down here. Now obviously you have to always bear in mind what your center image is going to be. So in this case, let's say this one here, I'm just going to make that into a slight red. So this one's my main focus, right? So what I want to do is I want to make some random boxes just around it. Maybe extend that one up a little bit more. Maybe make this one a little bit shorter. So it really does depend on how you want to play about with your placement for the cards, right? So now that I'm happy with this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select them all, zoom out a little bit. I'm just going to rotate them. Oh, I forgot that last one. I'm going to rotate it ever so slightly, and I'm going to bring it here so that it covers the actual page. If I've got any spaces like this, simply drag one more box and just put it into position so that it looks like it's been filled in. Do the same with this top corner. Perfect. Now once you have that, all you then need to do is select the one I want. I'm going to make that back into white, right click it, bring it to the front, and then I'm going to add a drop shadow. Now the drop shadow I add, make sure that it has a nice little soft blur, so I'm going to go about 70, and then just go down in the y-axis ever so slightly, and then maybe drop the opacity down a little bit. And there you have it, right? So what I can do now is I can select any other ones that I want. So maybe that one, that one, and maybe even this one. Apply the drop shadow on them and do the same thing, but the blur won't be as much, right, as the other one. So always remember, the closer the thing is to the ground, the sharper the shadow. The further it is away, the softer the shadow will be, right? And I'm just gonna blur it out a little bit, and there you have it, right? It's as simple as that. That's how you make some really nice cards in your flat images look like they're in perspective, in 3D perspectives, where something looks like it's on top of the other one. Hopefully you've enjoyed this really quick Monday tutorial. If you have, please smash a like button on the bottom below, and if you want some more in-depth tutorial, please check out some of our videos down there and here. And yeah, until the next time, I guess, I'm Khaled, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.